Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat, and as you can see the mayhem on the street. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, I don't think these girls have too much respect. I don't want to say the law, but for Ramesh and Dancing Rebel putting out a comment section where you think about that because it has come to our knowledge it was Rosalie who, stepped to Khandy first, who, defended herself in what type of way. He said, "Ma, I said, and I don't think that was a good look, people." He said, "Ma, I said, 'cause, last year the things that mash up at Rebel Party, and it almost, happened again." He said, "Ma, I said, for whatever reason, these girls, Sky Diamond and Internet Sensation, and all of these people is beefing. You know what I mean? But whatever, I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on from the go on what I start see a little bit of snippets of this incident with Khandy and Rosalie. But nevertheless, Jake stayed up early this morning. I said, he might keep fame life secret, and now run a competition with him baby mother Rosalie, because fear I think with Akim Fake. And them just want to know fame wife business, so them can destroy. Cause them say Rosalie, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, Rosalie say, boy, people, she said after 10 years, no, him really want to come use Pitney as clothes. And I use her name and all type of things. So she's not trying to hear it talk because it might link up with our enemies, especially after the situation at Rebels Party. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
I want an argument with you. You feed your pity them bone for yam. And she not like a you madman. You sit down with her every blood clot there. I want you to do the blood clot things and you don't tell her to stop. You sit there and go like, it's okay, avoid me. And the whole lot of them. Me see you. Me see you, me not care. Because you show me one side of you when me never know before. I a pussy. I'm not going to blood clot tell about, oh, I am ungrateful. Avoid my name. Please. Me see me a call the phone? You see me a see you? I your daughter tell me see you come from foreign. I'm saying, where you bring? I just tell me what you bring. I'm say, okay, that's it. That's it. I don't even miss you when I'm gone, and I don't miss you when the blood clot come back. Oh. And you come back right over the blood clot, gully. Someone don't know how me if in a league. Avoid my man. Poor Topsy a track. I don't want to talk about that. I don't want to talk about the destruction, boy. Me look too live, go to talk one story. Me I look too live, go to talk one story. Me not really think me better than nobody. And I really think me better than nobody. I might wave him a roll offer. And I really think me better than nobody. I really think you better than nobody. Nobody over here no more than nobody. I might wave him a ride offer. Him come on the internet as Rosalie baby father. When the pity them gone. I saw him board the net. Somebody know him from somewhere? What is him Instagram account? Them know him as Rosalie baby father. What you mean by? Him and nobody? And my shadow some boy I live in. My shadow. So a bumbo clap boy living in my shadow give me so much chat. Come on for my name, bad man. You come like a little sissy. You never call me name. Remember you say now look no Clout. You don't have to talk about me, but you don't have nothing else to talk about. You never come on the internet to have a real conversation about you, yourself and anybody. And me a wine I chat with all the while. Yes, the shadow I have. Me have 300 followers here, so. A 4 page me have. You know the shadow I have name. You know see it? So you can come here, come type. Me not live in a Jake shadow. Me not live in a Jake shadow. When me click my live at that time, I have a call Jakes if nobody see me. So what are you talking about? Go look content. Go and look some content for do. No. So when you buy one, the first time in your life you buy one pair of shoes, get pick and I to use the content. Your low life and pathetic, man. Come on the years I'm choose my blood clot by when I want buy them real or fake. Me beg, me buy, me borrow, me trust some of youth them. So them can eat something and drink something and grow up in their life. And the one time, God bless you, can buy 2 pair of shoes. And your baby can feed them now. A pair of clothes to walk and look out at it. The one time you buy 2 pieces of clothes. You pay a content, they walk and look at the 2 pieces of clothes and you buy give youth them. I talk to real people who are picking them. I not talk to no job lot over here. I don't abuse them now. I talk to some real woman who have pitney. I not talk to no job like careless fuck out mouth or fuck out old girl. We don't have a chick or a child and I know what I talk about. I not talk to some batty boy when I really like woman. I talk to the real woman them who have youth and know what I talk about. Every time you buy one suit of clothes, get pitney, you look clout out of it. Batty boy, your crosses. You can buy so give me pitney and look clout out of it. When I show them what you buy. You say you buy one popcorn machine and one snow cone machine give your daughter, and I know she not start use it if what she want to use. Like when me I got Panama, me give my kid a 50,000 a drag. Me never come party that come and say, oh, but this is what? This is what my left give me pity them. Everything you do for you, bad man, you look clout out of it. He's a waste boy, I forced me since I'm a born. A father do something pitney and every time you do it, you look clout. You seek one invitation or one validation on the net. To some bunch of people who not even like me or you. Oh, I'm buy real shoes now. Oh, I'm buy real shoes now. Like, what the fuck? Nigga, are you crazy? You going dumb? You going blind? Something wrong with you? You in a year life, 12 Shanta blood clot 10-year-old. A 10-year. At the first shoes you're buying a 10 blood clot years. And you want one blood clot gold medal. He's a never succumb to waste pussy hole. At the first shoes, you're buying a 10 blood clot year. 10 year. 10 year. And you want one gold medal. We want one bronze too. So me in a first, second, and third place. Yeah, that's how you could get panty pan live. How did that look a waste boy, man? What did that look a waste boy, man? We want one gold medal and one bronze. What did that look a waste boy, man? You can't buy a panty for your pin and show it on live. What wrong with you? You know used to know her. What is wrong with you, Jakes? What wrong with you, brother? Pumbuckler. I say I never buck up in. What is wrong with you? What you feel like, say? When you could have buy the world, you them if some people not like them still not go bumbuckler like you. So, you don't keep secret for your kids anymore. Me can't like me can't like him, you know? Me can't like Jakes. Because you see your kids them secret, you don't even keep it. Me not talk about me one big dirty stinking fuck out gal. Me are 32, they are kids. And you don't keep your kids them secret. Like me I run competition. No competition is enough for run for mine, you youth them. Out of 12 you just buy 2 because you have to show it. Pumbuckler. No, sir. But what is the competition? What is the competition? What kind of competition is in for mine the youth them? No mads not the year. What the rest of mads them for start black and mute. No mads not the year. What kind of competition is in for mine the youth them? Me and I gonna do this every day, no brother. Me I tell you the honest truth. Me and you not gonna do this. Me and you not gonna do this. We're not gonna do this. Because if me buy a pack of jars to my youth, them and then if you show the net. What is all fascinating about the net? You think the net nice? Oh, we are not nice. Cause the same time people with blood clots say, yeah. Yeah, boy, I say one tomorrow, I say move your stink, I rip you up. When the comment in the comment section, you think over here nice? I only a real and true supporter will always be there for you. Come and go buy my pin them something, I need to tell nobody nothing about bumbuckland. Oh, you know, somebody just spend I do it because I have to. I don't do it because I can. It's a levels to these things. So when I go to oh show what this mama she like I not do it because I have to. That's my duty. Christmas I come, I know them want clothes. School I come book for buy book. I'm back me now come show people say okay. Ray tay and blay and tay is a pussy. What y'all do? Oh, after 10 years, you finally can buy a shoes. If you say, thank God, Father God, thank you, I can buy it. You walk and show the blood clot neck. I the feel like jazz when you buy, you walk and show the neck. She a pitney. Them a pitney. What you do? I never walk and tell like I'm Jakes yet. Never. Me never tell like I'm Jakes yet. Never. Because I'm not manipulative. I'm gonna have narcissistic behavior. I'm gonna mad out. Me never walk and tell hype and chicks yet. I have said him don't give them no money when he's leaving. Because when them leave, them still come to me every single day. I'm gonna find it, give them. What line of that? There's no line that. But anyway, me and someone in a argue for today. Because you see me, that big fat bitch, me not seek validation. No blood clot time. Me don't want nobody value me. I just like people. Because people don't like me. Some don't like people. Sometimes I want to chat to people because sometimes I have a chat to people. Real will still real. I feel energy. I work off of energy. A long time when I bring it on social media. So when the type of say don't make I don't give two fuck. Me not seek validation over here. Me not look no gold blood clot medal. Me have my gift as them. Me never fluctuate yet. Me have girl and me have ladies and gentlemen that actually likes me for me. Me not play hypocrite. No. Me not play hypocrite. I'm gonna walk and look blood clot friend. Me not look friend from people. Me earn friendship, but me know valid. You know, invalid, that means it can't work again. It's valued. Because I value my friendship them. Because I see my friend at war, me in an argument. You throw the first punch, me running long time like me hear news. That's some value my friendship. I'm serious when it comes to friendship and relationship. Me not run jokes, so I keep fake friend. So I feel like someone come over come blood clot type to me. I got upon no bitch pie can make me feel no way about nothing. None of y'all bitches on this app and niggas can make me feel no way. I'm so tiny, I never can sue no. Because I know, say, to me, I run this shit. No, I mean, it's a hot topic. As I sleep, you have to slide with me. Nothing can happen, I put on the mouth in it. When I always have an input, so I don't care. It keep me alive. Yeah. Until I say 2 years now, I never feel more alive. Yeah. And the year are done with me more alive. I just start more alive. I'm busy with you know. I'm not busy with you know. I'm not busy with you know. When I come from that one, I say,
Why am I so interested? Because I come out, I'm going to start ask help for my baby them. Them can't know my wife, baby. Them can't know my wife and boss lady. No time at all.
Yeah, one bagger and one. If you want to continue to hear what Jake's had to say, swing pan the Bombay by news channel. It's a mass and do the right thing and subscribe to me everywhere and turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss out when we drop the latest one. Please.